It's Sunday.
Grab his dick and twist it!
Why?
Because this is an MMA fight, dude. That's what we do.
Right now I'm reheating the hash browns.
Wait, I want to find the one of,
Barton.
This is the moneymaker right here.
Wow, I'm vlogging right
never
now.
came up. How could you?
Yeah, because I got tied up instead.
Oh, that's a good reason.
Yeah, exactly. Wow.
Oh, you
Wow.
like Mip's dots? I've literally just been like carrying him like this because I don't feel like fucking
Wait,
carrying them.
what's with the dots? What?
I've never
going
had
on
these
here?
as candy.
He's never had candy dots before.
What? What? Wait, what? I don't even know what's going on here.
So these are like literally like these are just like pure sugar.
Oh.
Like there's cherry.
Candy mega buttons?
Oh fuck yeah! The small ones are like 3/4 the size. It's not worth it.
Okay.
I've also never had candy dots before.
That's so
You
weird.
can come up and have some.
Maybe I will after I'm done talking to the camera.
Sounds
Like
I've
right
literally-
now.
I've literally had the ability to just like keep it connected onto here.
Put him in the bed with the captain's order. Put him in the bed with the captain's order. Put him in the bed with the captain's order. Early in the morning.
It's Sunday, 7:30 p.m. The lobby is a little bit empty right now, but that's probably because everyone's getting dinner. I guess I should go get dinner or something. Trying to ask people if they want dinner.
Later that night.
We are in the atrium right now, the lower level.
That's right. Here we are with the lo-fi fur pile. Provide a space for people to just chill, vibe, with fursuit fans, tube lights, you know, lo-fi music.
Do fun things for your friends. This really just started as an event post-rave, I think BLFC 2019 or something like that. So I just set up my fans and we set up a speaker to listen to some lo-fi music and we cuddled and it was the best experience of the con. Just an hour of being able to just talk and slow down for a bit. And friends saw us and started joining in and it became an event that I wanted to try to run and set up at every con I could go to. So then you're all re-energized and ready to party the night away. Crazy to see how big this has gotten. It's just so heartwarming to see all my friends all together and enjoying it.
That's what I love about Furry. Brings people together. This is Whiskers,
And this is Luca.
coming to you from MFF 2023. Sunday night, signing off.
Doot doodaloot doot.
Doot-doot-doot.
Ah, yes, the fishbowl. This used to be a pool. Yeah, I'm serious. The main hotel used to have a pool in it. Imagine a pool with a bunch of furries in here. I wonder why they got rid of it.
My con is going very well, so I love it to meet all my friends and have a very good time over here. Yes, also, it's my first MFF and I really enjoy it here as well, so it's hard to compare all of them, but I would say AC is my favorite, yes. My next con is A&E. It has been going pretty well. I got to see a lot of people I haven't seen in several years at this point. So it's been wonderful being able to kind of connect with some people a little bit more intimately. Most of the times I'm typically running around conventions and going to parties and seeing big groups of people. It's been really nice to see a couple people just one-on-one for several hours at a time. Came in with very few expectations, so I've been pleasantly surprised how the whole con's turned out. So. For future reference, I'd probably like to plan a couple more dinners with people. I know it's kind of always chaotic trying to coordinate right at the 11th hour, so it'd be nice to kind of reach out ahead of time and figure out what people would like to do or kind of organize a group to go somewhere else, as Rosemont doesn't have great food options right immediately nearby. Favorite meal or restaurants? I really liked going to Lou Malnati's. That's my favorite pizza chain in Chicago. I went there growing up, and we took some people down into the city on Wednesday. Or I should say Thursday, and then we went to the German market. That's at City Hall. And we spent a couple hours there, had some good spiced wine or mulled wine, and just kind of hung out down there. So pizza and wine. The rest of my con, I'm just doing one last round of suiting. Then I'm gonna have to go back and start doing some packing, and probably I'll be very lazy this evening and be in Tigu and just running around here.
Today is Sunday, the final day of MFF. Oh shit, someone's waving their head as if I'm wrong. What day is today?
First day of MFF!
Hey! I was wrong this whole time, fuck. Or I'm being gaslit hard, to be determined.
Arctic, how's your vlog going?
It's going great.
Even better now.
Wait, is that a microphone? It is a microphone.
Oh shit. Arctic, can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh.
Well, that's pretty
good. You're very not a kiss, but also something.
Hi, Jack. How's it going?
It has been going good. I had like 6 photo shoots today, so I've been busy as shit, but I am feeling great, confident. They're going great. So this is my first MFF. It has been hectic as hell. I mean, I knew coming into it that people said it was like very busy and like all over the place.
I'm at a FurCon. I am enjoying myself. I'm actually seeing a lot of people that I haven't seen in a long while. A lot of international furs out here too, so I'm enjoying seeing people from across the pond. It's been fantastic so far. I've kind of accomplished everything that I've wanted to do here, and then more. I've been surprised like every single day by something that pops up that I wasn't expecting to do. The 6-2-1 rule is very simple. 6 hours of sleep a night, 2 meals a day, and at least 1 shower. Please shower. Some of y'all stank, and we can smell it in the Skyway. Well, I heard that there's gonna be a Costco members only party later on with Costco hot dogs, and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I'm definitely waiting for that one. Next con that I have planned currently is gonna be Nordic FuzzCon over in Sweden. So for all my international friends, I'll see you over there.
Damn, I guess I'll see you there too.
Oh, hell yes!
Later that night.
That I'm able to do this for all of y'all. Thank you so much. And a huge shout out to the entire audiovisual team that's here this weekend. Turk and Goofy on lights, Simon K and Foxworth on the video stuff. I got Dagger back there doing the visuals, which was sweet as fuck. And that's it. And shout out to my boyfriend over there. I'll see you. I like the boyfriend. All right, you know what the saying goes, you can't stay home, you can't go home, but I almost fucked that one up. All right, y'all, have a good night, see ya. We'll see you next year in 2024. I'll bring up bigger sound system next year, how about that?
Later that night.
It is still Sunday and it is coming up on the end of the evening, but we are still going strong. I hung out with so many people, made a lot of people different experiences, got my fursuit for the first time and really just running around being me, and I feel so happy about it. I think I like just how many people there are. There's so much to do and I feel like you're always meeting somebody. It makes you so happy. I think next year what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to have so much more for my fursuit, like a harness and a pet suit and a few other things, so I can really just live lavishly and be me. My next con, I think it's going to be A&W or A&E. Friends want me to go. I really got to check out A&E at least because I've never been. I've never been to New England and I want to find out what the vibe is. I hope everybody who came here had a good time. I hope anybody who was not able to make it can try to come next year. And all you have to do is just be a good dog.
4:39, there we go, 4:39 a.m., found it. These are Butler's cookies, so I've been told. Holy shit, this is the best cookie I've ever fucking had.
So you're gonna share these cookies?
The next day.
It's Monday. We are going to get in an Uber and go get some Giordano's, and I'm still fucking wired. You all ready for another 5 days of con? Let's do it.
Had a great con. I did fursuiting for the first time. Hi, I'm back again. That was me in the dragon suit. That was an experience. There's still a lot to unpack. We're saying bye to all of our friends. We get distracted. We try to sit and enjoy a meal and quick run to go grab someone as they're getting onto a shuttle to give them a hug. But overall, it was very, very fun.